gonna do a brief video on the 2002 Sequoia. It's going to Madagascar, but I'm prepping to take to Madagascar if I have to move there. I just did the valve cover gasket on this side. I have to do the other side. I'm running it to make sure everything works good. I painted it as well, and you know, I'm just checking for leaks right now. Everything looks good. I can't do both sides right now. I'm gonna have somebody supposed to come tomorrow to do some reinforcements on my lift, so I can do some of the other work. But that's how that goes right there. It's running. Still have to do this side. I'll do that tomorrow. And why I painted the cover, it was so I could see if oil leaks in the future, see if anything fall on it. It's easier to check for you know, any kind of discrepancy will show up with oil related or leak related, will show up a little easier on a yellow cover. I could have gone white, but white is can be a little glaring in the sun if you're stuck out in the bush somewhere, because it's not always pure jungle driving in Madagascar. So I painted it yellow. First and foremost, is so I can see if oil leaks out somewhere, it'll show up a little easier on the yellow cover. Plus it looks nice as far as styling, but that wasn't my main purpose. And secondly, it was also to protect the valve cover itself from salt, possibly salt out on the island. But I have somebody coming tomorrow to do work on the lift. Supposedly, we'll see. If they don't show up tomorrow, well, then I'll go ahead and do the other valve cover. It takes about a day. Little word of advice: go with the OEM valve cover gaskets. There's some cheap ones online. I picked up one on Amazon, and it was shitty. It didn't fit. It didn't fit. It was off by maybe a quarter of an inch. So it was useless. You know, if you had to stretch it into place, then it's not good. It has to drop into place as though it belonged there. When you start stretching stuff into place, it becomes a problem, so you don't want to do that. Anyhow, this is a short video. Like, subscribe, ask questions, make suggestions. You all have a good day.